We are
Miss Lund's Intelligent Zombies!
And we researched about monarch butterflies. We built a way station to create a stop for the monarch so that they can continue their journey.
In this video, you will learn about the appearance, fun facts, the migration route, threats against the monarch, and how you can help.
Hey buddy, did you guys know that the monarch butterfly's forewing helps them flap their wing and migrate, and their wings are poisonous?
The antennas help them travel because they're like clocks and tell them where to go and migrate. Here's a picture that we drew of antennas and the forewing.
And here is diagram, and it shows the antennas and the forewing.
Brr, it's cold out here. Did you know that monarch butterflies are cold-blooded? If it's cold outside, then the monarch butterflies blood is cold.
So if it's warm outside, then the monarch's blood is warm. So usually they might want to stay in the warm.
Also, monarch butterflies their size can be up to 6 to 8 inches, and also they're poisonous to other predators.
You may want to learn about viceroys and monarchs, and so you won't get confused. A similarity is that viceroys have a dark color of orange and monarchs have a light color of orange. Another similarity is that viceroys find food on flowers, trees, grasses, and weeds like the monarch. Introducing Adrian.
Thank you, Juan. I'm going to share 2 facts about the monarch. The first fact is that the monarch can migrate and the viceroys cannot. The second fact is that the monarchs are poisonous.
The first life cycle is the egg that the monarchs lay on. The second thing is the larva. The larva is the caterpillar. The next thing is the pupa.
The next thing is the pupa. The caterpillar turns into a chrysalis.
And then the dot spreads its wings so it could dry, and then it flies.
Monarchs fly about 2,000 miles all over the globe. They start up in Canada and they end in different endpoints. Some of the endpoints are California, Mexico, and Florida.
Did you know that the monarch butterflies travel a long time? So we made a garden, and in the garden we put brightly colored flowers, as you can see that they're right here. So this garden is just like a restaurant and a hospital because the monarchs drink the nectar from the flowers so that they can survive. So that's what they eat, and it's just like a hospital because they lay their babies on the milkweed, and you can see that they're not blooming yet, but they are going to. So later you'll see a lot of caterpillars on the milkweed. The big caterpillars that have been growing here for a long time.
Hi boys and girls, today I will explain about the picture of the place called La Reserva de la Birsofa Mariposa, and this is where they end their journey, and it is a lovely place for the monarchs to lay their eggs, and also it is warm. Did you know that there used to be 33 million monarchs? Now there are a few because people are throwing them. People are throwing them by spraying herbicides on milk plants. The milkweed plants are important because the monarch butterflies lay their eggs on them. You should help the monarch butterflies by making a way station. This is a photo of a farmer that is spraying herbicide. It's something that kills bugs, but it is a problem because the monarch butterflies could come to his plants, and then the bugs could start doing bad stuff to it. And it is like, here is a herbicide and here are his plants. He's doing it with a machine because there's too much plants for him just to be walking.
The three presidents, Barack Obama, Stephen Harper, and Enrique Peña Nieto, worked together to tell the people to plant way stations to help the monarchs.
Here's our garden. What we did is plant a garden for the monarch butterfly.
Make sure you buy a monarch butterfly milkweed.
Make sure you buy 2 bags of compost or else the plant will die.
Make sure that you give small plants a little bit of water and a lot to the big plants.
So we use compost and native soil, and when we added that, it helped the plants stand, and the compost had the nutrients which would help the plant grow and get lots of food.
You can build a way station to help the monarch butterfly continue their journey to the state that they are going to. They land on plants and eat nectar. You could plant milkweed for their eggs, and you could use bright colors like purple, white, red, pink, and yellow to attract them.
Do you know monarch butterflies carries pollen to another flower, then the pollen falls? And when you plant a garden, the monarch helps too because it drops pollen on the plant. And monarch butterflies carries pollen too in other plants in other states like New Jersey.